Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learnify today. So guys, in this video I will share with you one roadmap for learning English. Actually, I wanted to record this video after a long time, but due to some reasons I could not record this video. That's why today in this field I'm standing and I'm recording this video, about to a roadmap which can help us for learn English, for speaking English, for reading practice, speaking, or how to become fluent. So in this video, I will share with you one roadmap for every beginners who wants to improve their English language and who have a dream, who want to speak English confidently like others fluent English speakers. So in this video, first of all, I want to welcome to all of you. If you are new here, then please guys do share and subscribe this video, and please, it's my humble request, please stay in this video till the end. And after completing this video, after end this video, I will share with you the one thing that is biggest important for every beginners. So please, if you want to speak and if you want to become a fluent English speaker, please stay here. So now guys, now let's come to the topic. So as I told you, I wanted to share one things that is English roadmap. So now my first things that I want to share with you, so guys, you have to give your 1 month, literally just only 1 month, and in 1 month you have to do some things like you have to put some efforts, do reading, speaking practice, or writing sometimes, or imitations, or listening videos about English related videos. Okay, so do some things, but in 1 month you have to do very carefully. Okay, this is very important things which I am going to share. Please guys, literally believe it. So now in 1 month, firstly you have to listen in some like one day you should listen, next day you should revise and speak your own words. You speak in your own words, and then at night you should write something, one topic, two topic, uh, whatever you can do, you should write it. And the next day, after the day, you should do speaking practice. And there's one solution for you. Actually, many peoples, they are thinking where I should do speaking practice, and whom I should speak English and do speaking practice, and I don't have a partner to speak English. So please, if you are learning English, make your own conversations. Like this is wall, and now I'm touching. Here is some plants. It's look green, beautiful. The sky is very beautiful. Trees are moving, and birds flying or chirping, making sound. It looks amazing. Or you can explain your daily habits like I need water, can you give me some food, I want to go somewhere, I want to buy something, I want to put this dress, this is my favorite dress, I want to do this, is I want to make dinner, or I want to comb my hair, like this. It feels very small sentences. You can also feel it is very small sentences, but dear, that is make a huge impact on your daily speaking journey. Okay, I know you can feel like this is very small things, we should speak, but we want to speak English, and we have to learn big sentences that meaning very different, that sentences very large. So I would say you should first start learning from small sentences. Okay, so next week you have to speak sentences, not about just for clarification, not about just for a perfection. You should try to at least speak, and once you try, after some day you will feel some changes, you will feel some improvement. Okay, so it feels very small, but the impact very huge. Okay, so please, I would request you, in next week you should speak small sentences like about your things, about your feelings, about your habits, about your work. Okay, it could be any work. It depends only you, it belongs to you. Okay, so I hope you understood. And the third week, what you have to do, that is, you have to speak with partners if you have. If you know, if you don't have, then use online applications. There is several applications available on online, on social media. You should just download it and open and speak. Okay, share your opinion, observe other things, observe people's, listen to people's. Okay, uh, okay, so you should use online applications. Okay dears, actually Hindi is our mother tongue, so whenever we speak we use Hindi mostly, in my family, in my relations, or in my, you know, whenever I speaks only Hindi. But on YouTube I speaks only English. So it is our nature. So I would say Hindi is everywhere surrounded in my areas. So that's why that is speaking in Hindi, that is a natural things. Okay, so it would be just funny. Okay, so and the 4 week you have to revise all the things whatever you learned in a 3 weeks. You have to revise that, or please don't forget that speaking practice. You have to speak a lot. Okay guys, please guys, literally mark my words, you have to speak a lot. And once you start speaking, then you will see some improvement. And once you see any improvement, you will feel more confident. Okay guys, so please do practices and be motivated, be continue. Don't forget to do your speaking practice. And I told you one thing I would share with you in the last of this video. So now that time is coming here. So my last thing is that I want to share with you, which is listening. Okay guys, listen to English videos mostly. And sometimes I listen just only I would say speeches in English. I prefer to listen English speeches because there would be many benefits, and I learned so many things from speeches. So I would recommend you, please watch YouTube speech or try to imitate also. And if you are a beginner, please uh, you should, I would say, you should listen and speak, do imitations as well. Whenever you listen any video, imitate also, please. Okay, so that all the things whatever I wanted to share, I tried my best for explanations. And I hope you observed all the things. If you're not, then please watch this video again and again. Or if you can understand, then please do like, share and subscribe. I hope this video that helps you a lot. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then take care, have a nice day. Bye bye guys.